Most investors look at real estate as a series of separate deals. One property, one loan, one down payment at a time. But what if you could use the equity you already have in a deal you've already closed to fund the next one? That's the hidden power of cross-collateralization. And today I'm going to show you how it works, how smart investors are using this strategy to scale faster, deploy less cash, and unlock capital without selling anything. Let's start with what cross-collateralization is. It's when a lender uses the equity in one property as additional security for a new loan. In plain terms, you leverage the value you've already built in one asset to get funding for another, without cashing out, refinancing, or selling. Here's a real-world example. Let's say you own a duplex in Indiana worth $280,000, and you only owe $140,000 on it. That means you've got $140,000 in equity just sitting there. Now, let's say you find a flip opportunity across town for $180,000. You don't want to liquidate, and you don't want to wait on a refinance. With a traditional lender, you're stuck. They'd treat that new flip like a standalone deal. But with a private lender, you can cross-collateralize. We secure the new loan with the new property and place a lien on the equity in your duplex. Result? You avoid a down payment. You close in days. You keep both assets working, one generating income, the other creating value. That's how you scale with what you already own. At Phoenix Funded, we use cross-collateralization with experienced and mid-tier investors all the time. It's one of the fastest ways to move without cash reserves. No need to sell your portfolio. No need to refi out of a great rate. Just leverage the equity you've already earned. And here's what's important. This isn't some exotic lending product. Private lenders do this all the time when the investor is prepared. What makes it work? Solid equity in an existing property, a new deal with real upside, and a borrower who's clear on their exit. That's the formula. And when those elements line up, we can structure the deal in days, not weeks. It's flexible, it's fast, and it puts your portfolio to work instead of locking your wealth in one property at a time. If you've got equity sitting in a rental or flip you already own, and you've got another opportunity in front of you, cross-collateralization might be the move that unlocks both. At Phoenix Funded, we specialize in structuring deals that banks won't touch, including creative combinations like this that help you scale without burning your cash reserves. Submit your deal at phoenixfunded.com and tell us what properties you already own and what you want to do next. Because in this market, the smartest investors don't just work harder, they make their equity work smarter.